Hey guys, welcome. We're on our next step of the greenhouse. This is so exciting. I'm going to show you what we got. All right, so my husband went and bought a bunch of wood. This is a lot of wood. We decided on pine. We were originally going to use redwood, but it's not as structural or strong. So the pine should hold up to the weather pretty well as long as we stain it every year. It's going to be a little bit more high maintenance, but worth it because we'll be able to use an awesome greenhouse all winter long. Okay, we're going to start framing this out. Can't wait to show you the process. All right, let's get framing. The framing is up. Now we just got to put the roof on. My husband's doing an awesome job. I have to admit that
It's awesome.
I'm totally, what'd you say?
I said I'm doing a job. We'll see if it's awesome or not when it's over.
Yeah, I have to admit that I started out really strong on this project, and I kind of do this where I get us really going, get it started, and then I end up belling a little bit. It's true, huh?
I'd say.
I kind of belled. I did clean off the brick though, so that was good.
Free yesterday.
Looking at flowers, I think, or winding a flower bed. Anyway, he is doing so awesome. This is his first time. He is amazing me. So what we got left now is a door. He's actually going to build the door because they're really expensive, and then we have to add the roof, and then after the roof is added, we'll stain it and then get some glass.
Right now I'm trying to build this vertical support beam that's just going to be temporary. It's got to go up this high so I can sit the ridge beam on top of it. So then I can frame all the rafters off of it. So it's a little tricky.
Yeah, it is super tricky. Do you need some help?
You know someone?
Okay. I could probably help you today. All right. No, but seriously, do you need my help?
Yeah.
Darn it, I was gonna like go deal with flower beds, but I guess I'll help you today. Okay, I guess I better go get my work shoes on. Anything else you want to add?
Nope. Just stay with us. Hopefully it's not unlucky to walk through this ladder like I'm about to do right now.
Okay. All right.
We're going with kind of a steep pitch. It's going to have a 12-12 pitch on it, which will give it hopefully more of like a Victorian style vibe.
I'm really excited to show you the stage that we're at. We are getting ready to stain our wood framing. So let's take a look at the frame real quick. All right, we got it all taped up, and look how awesome it looks. So my husband's got his hazmat suit. These kind of are awesome. You can get them at Home Depot for like 12 bucks. Then you don't have to worry about changing your clothes, and I hate changing my clothes. so I usually ruin a lot of them. So this is the way to go. But so we've decided that we are going to use solid stain and rather than painting it. This way we don't have to deal with paint chipping, and we can spray it every year or every 2 to 3 years. I'm going to show you right here. This Cabot solid stain white. Okay, cannot wait. As soon as we get this painted, we'll be moving on to glass, and then soon we'll be planting our seeds. All right, let's
get it on.
Let's get it. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you're enjoying seeing this process unfold as much as I am. I think it's turning out beautifully. So what we got next is the roof and glass, and then we will be finished. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll talk to you later, and have a great day. Bye.